is Aisha George, and today's video is about event known as hackathon. So we are going to discuss that what it is, and I'm also going to tell my first year and first semester experience in this new word hackathon. So I will begin explanation what is hackathon by a story. So this story there is a girl who loved swings, but her swing was situated upon a concrete land. So whenever she tried to swing, she fell down and broke his knee. So for this instance, her mother told her not to swim anymore. So she swing anymore. So she was so addicted, and she also so loved the swing that she doesn't want to stop her swinging around in free time in the afternoon or evening. So what she does, she told her father that please you bring a box of sand and clear, evenly spread below the swing. So her father does this, and when he does this, although she fell afterwards also, but it was a soft land. So this sandbox helped her to overcome her fear and landed her softly onto the ground. Exactly this does hackathons. Apart from the harsh reality market, when a young or a team of entrepreneurs enter the market and they doesn't know anything about it and they fail. So to prevent this situation, this hackathon or a sandbox use them as a platform to learn and gain experience. When from my college, me and my team went to the hackathon, we were exposed to many things. There were two evaluation rounds specifically, and on the first round you have to that what are you making, or that the sir or invigilator tells you your plus and minus points. And for the second evaluation you have to focus on your minus points, and you have to uh, make it better. And what he said that in our project we were told to have security by JS Node and databases, because when we went, we were full, front end was fully developed, and the debug console was also ready, which is our software comprised of. So the only thing was this. And second point, it is really very important to have networks. So when we went to an hackathon, also the sir who was coordinating it, the college professor, he still that he told us all that you have to build networks, you have to know who the other team is, and LinkedIn profiles, your username you have to share with one and all. So yes, I have made many friends also in that college, and they came from all over India too. So it was an offline hackathon. We preferred more offline because online it doesn't really help in making connections too. So our first experience in first semester, we went to an offline hackathon, and it was really great because in first semester we have not explored who all are our seniors, and what was in our college history, what they have done. But in this hackathon we met our seniors also who have made robot Yani too, and we were really very motivated by meeting them. And also third point, you have really great sessions by great personalities. We met the young entrepreneur of Salesforce, Shreya Sharma, and he was really great because in his sessions also, the 20 plus experience having teachers were calling him sir. So that was indeed a motivation for us that if he can do it in only 25 years, why can't we? And he also took the session, and the seminar was really very motivating. And various great personalities sessions were there, so it was really enlightening experience also for us in when we begin our journey with a really great start. And also some market information we gathered about what it is really about. So it by business startups, there's all news you have to gather. Not only you are making yourselves a robot, but you have to make it. So yes, the information is really good. And also the college curricular activities like we had whole night some programs, and it was really very interactive and we enjoyed a lot. So these are the perks of being a participation in hackathon. But for this, first your idea should be approved by the who's organizing this event. So yeah, it gives you a great start, and it's very efficient and beneficial for networking. And in a real time environment, how you are going to cope up with things, time management, and really many things, from working till 3 a.m. in the morning to exploring many things. Like in our project also, when our seniors we went to help also, you can and they suggest some changes and some new things. Like we have never worked upon PHP and APIs to connect all the front end back end, so it was a new thing. We worked on that specific period, so it really more learning experience that I have never made a website, but because of this hackathon I have made website front end of it. So it is really beneficial for our skills also, and in real time event also. And if you win, you may you have cash prizes also for your startup and software projects. And if you lose, you have a bag full of experience and beneficial experience and networks. So this was about hackathons, what are they, and perks of participating in it. And if you have any doubt and queries, please ask your elder experts. And please do subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this so patiently. Thank you so much.